It actually is coming out?
Yeah, he's coming out. Emily's here too. Yeah, the sun is currently out. It's actually quite warm, but I've got a massive raincoat in case it does rain. So we just don't know. That's all for now. Might update you on the bus, probably not.
Yeah,
maybe when we get there.
Actually, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's quite a good time to go because it's mid-afternoon. Yeah. See you in the next clip. The poncho is out because it's raining. This is not okay. It looks like I'm wearing a cap with my hood, look. Everyone's still in great spirits. Riley's got his raincoat on as well, he's in front. Yeah, this is not ideal really. Grumpy as always. Where'd they gone? Hello!
Someone's tent.
Someone's tent.
We've
No,
we've got Pat's phone.
Yeah. Oh, is that someone else's phone? Well, we haven't actually nicked someone's tent. I'm drinking Foster's. Emily's in there hiding.
Hi.
It's not raining anymore, that's good.
I've still got my poncho on though.
Oh god, someone's coming up to let me turn the camera around, you can look at what this campsite looks like, it's interesting. Riley's got a Foster's, pair of eyes, loving life as usual. Got anything to say? Contribute? Anything to contribute, guys?
That I'm just stuck in it.
Anything to contribute, Owen? I don't. Oh, you took off on my camera. Damn. bus. We've left Emily and Owen. They're true party animals and they're going strong. We are not.
No.
We are leaving. My glitter's still on. It's quite good.
I'm still on too.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, so nice.
So sweaty.
Thank you. Yeah, that's about all. I just thought I'd update because the rest of it's been pretty bad. I thought I'd get a friend in. Yeah, that's probably it for the night. We'll probably and I will update you tomorrow, don't you worry. Bye! Right, we're just at the bus stop now. And is laughing at me. We're just waiting for the bus. We might be here for a good hour.
Oh, what's this?
Hello, so it is Sunday morning. I'm aware this is the first time I've updated it before I'm at the festival. So I've just got ready. Got the gold glitter on today. I'm actually being blinded by the non-existent sun, but it's really glowing. So yeah, I've got the gold glitter today. This is the outfit. We are about to go get petrol, maybe a McDonald's, drive somewhere to then get the bus to the festival. I just thought I'd want to update it because it's been literally so bad. And I literally don't know how this is going to go, but who cares. Yeah, that's probably all I have to say now. Today is the last day. I think I already said that. Yeah, that'll do for now, I think. I'll update you when I've got something to update you about. So I'm just updating you while Bradley is getting some petrol, and we've got a McDonald's. I'm so excited. Look how grumpy he looks. Doesn't realise I'm filming. Absolutely loving life. So we've got 20 nuggets to share and some chips. I have no shame. It's a treat weekend. Everything's fine. I just thought I would update you. I'm trying to be good today because I'm not drinking or anything, so I don't have an excuse basically today.
In the middle of our street, our house. In the middle of our
Oh, sorry, Phil's in it. I can't escape. Oh, there we go. We're gonna be on YouTube. We're queuing for the Ferris wheel. Got our little admission ticket thingy. My hair looks crazy. And Anya's here too. Bradley has left us. So yeah, this is what we're going on. We've just watched Biffy Clyro and Owen had some loaded fries.
And they were really, really good.
With chilli on top. So yeah, we're going now because our feet are in absolute agony. Fireworks going on in the background. Cute.
You planned this.
Love that. I
Emily
did.
actually asked the fireworks to go off to make it look
Especially,
better.
yeah, I literally did it especially for this. So, yeah, that'll be all for now. That actually for the vlog. This vlog is ending now because I'm going home and I'm going to sleep.
Is your outfit the day?
Oh no, that's a separate video.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Yeah, gotta get them vids. Yeah, look, they're still going.